Nayo nigo omowaziri wa mang'ana y'obocheno ase serikali ya kaunti ya Kisii Ronald Nyakweba aberega kubolia abantu kogendera wesoki eri konyora oboringoria bwa maroire y'echingenjo gati yabo oburere bw'esukari asa enekire bune serikali ya kaunti ya Kisii nebegetemero biryo yoko enekia buna abadwaire ba marwaire y'esukari gati ya maroire ande babere bagokonyeka omuroberi orabego gokorekana ase sub county chonsi imeye kaunti ya Kisii ninga yakwa na ching ase egeti Nyantrago imeye bunge ya Nyaribari chache chinga kichogo chengera ritkuri oburere bw'esukari gose World Diabetes Day muriketo momanye norboti urwasobwagare
Kero mwaka ase chitariki 14 cy'omutenyi o 11 nigo ensengima ego chengera ritukori oboroire bw'esukari ase ewadi ya Ibeno imeya Nyaribari chache nigo emeroberi yo kuringoriwa amaroire akoreka ase getige kigosori kya Nyantrago abwase ababwatani buna chinyagitari kya Kisii Hospital Oasis Hospital Amref amone nyagitari enene ya Kisii Teaching and Referral bakirana elio koldi chengera ritukeri bakoragwa no muwaziri kurwa ase sector y'obocheno imeye county ya Kisii asa kwanira igoro yeritukeriga
ero asobwenge twaje kupima abantu oburere bw'esukari because togosherekea World Diabetes Day oburere bw'esukari bapime pressure barigererwa maiso bari baratoka babwate mejande iyo nyagitari mbarega mbabarigereri mbaba device what they are supposed to do next anye bako bari fatu ko nyagitari baganyagitari gari nyagitari cy'iroro seje county cyonse tubane level force nyagitire go force county cyitu kya sub county cyitu kyanda we have those hospitals and tubane nyagitari kuna KTRH anye baganya gokonya ase those level force they will be referred back to KTRH the ministry twamuire kurwana no buroirobo tunyara ko bokei imeye county yetu ya Kisii
kurwa ase ekiombe kya Amref nigo bakwanira igoro y'omubaro bw'abantu banyarire koringoriwa imeye county ya Kisii ase banekya buna abantu abange tibali komanya omochando bw'oborwaire babwate ase basaba koringoriwa kera engaki.
So far we've been able to serve about 3 sub-counties, having served over 11,000 patients seen already. We are looking forward to do another 6 sub-counties to complete the 9 sub-counties in Kisii in the next year. We are also hoping to have more joint interventions with the county health management team, and that is why we are standing together with the leadership of the health management system, so that we are able to do more, cover more people per day.
That we have in Kisii County and globally is majority of people don't know their risk, and that is why they come to the hospital when they are complicated and they have several complications. Currently, globally, we are having 84% of global deaths attributed to non-communicable diseases, among them cardiovascular diseases, diabetes, cancers, mental health, asthmas, chronic obstructive respiratory diseases, and other injuries.
Omoteneri bw'enyagitari ya Kisii Teaching and Referral nigo atebire mbache kurwa obokonyi gochi ase bali bonsi barache konyora babwate oburwaire bw'esukari ase bayigo baeneke buna mbache kogenderera no moroberio oyo ase chi sub county chonsi imeye county ya Kisii.
Tungependa kuwahimiza watu wote kwamba ni vizuri hata yule ambaye anadhani hana ugonjwa wa kisukari aende hospitali apime sukari. Mashini peke yake iseme kama ana kisukari ama hana. Utapata shida, tutakuhimiza vile unafanya. Kama unahitaji madawa, utapewa ushauri. Kama unahitaji kuelezewa vile unakula, utapewa ushauri pia. Na tungehimiza wale ambao wako na ugonjwa wa kisukari wafuate maagizo ya daktari, wameze madawa na wakijikinge vizuri, ndio vile viungo muhimu visiweze kuathirika.
Sisi county chons whatever we are taking services closer to the people. Bana bandu bego kujya kitari. Bari bako kujya kitari bari bako bari fari kuchiroro. Lakini this program twagira boniga negenderera site bukondo yitu chonsi kianda. Na abatangazire nga 20 mpaka 24 aribo gitabo nchari. Tokabwate program mune yororo ndewe takokororo. Abantu bako go treated for free.
Golipota lya egetaseni kya Ndizi TV ile Italiane Mildred Momanye.